Hello, this is my CS50 final print for the CS50 web course. It is a attendance application system, but with a industrial approach. So let's begin signing in. My username is admin and the password is also admin. Once we are signing in, we need to go to the register department section. And register department, we have to provide it to a name and set some EPP requirements that the people who will be in this department needs to comply. In this case, I will only set up the working in always and the best in always. And we can provide the department with some permissions, but in this case, I will not provide any permissions. Once the department is created, we can go to the create register worker section and register a new worker. In this case, I will register myself. We need to provide the worker of a name, a last name, of a username, and email of an password that will be my username in this case, and the department. And the special is that we need to record that worker. In this case, I'll record myself, and that guy needs to look directly to the camera. I will put off my headphones, my head-ups to record in order to record. As you can see, when we are recording someone, that guy needs to look directly to the camera and look slightly to the slides, to the right, to the left, to the up, a little to the front. I don't know how to say that. Uh, and in order to obtain different images of his face of that guy, to create the biometrical data of his face, which that data will be useful for us in order to compare the face in our database and the faces that will be obtained from the camera. Uh, in this case, the camera will be sending frames to our backend in order to check if there is a worker in the camera with the EPP requirements of his department. Only if the worker in the camera comply the EPP requirements of his department, uh, say that the backend will register an attendance of that guy. So let's be patient. This purchase a little takes a little, but in meanwhile we can see that all the pages is mobile responsive. So once the worker is registered, we can go to the camera, and I will put up my system. And when we are the camera and we are registered with the PP requirements, we are now we can see that in the history, I am in the history, and this is my profile. I said when we created the user, we created also a user in the system. So now then we can sign in that profile. Then I am there, right? This is my profile, and this is all my attendance in the system. So I will back to my admin section. And this is my profile in the admin section. All the features that the app has. So I think that this is all. As we can see, everything is mobile responsive. So that's all. Thanks for watching.